Stay safe with your iPhone. Understanding Emergency SOS. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial feature on your iPhone that you might not know much about, but could potentially save your life: Emergency SOS. This built-in tool allows you to quickly call for help and alert your emergency contacts in critical situations. Stick around as we explore what Emergency SOS is, its benefits, and exactly how to use it on your iPhone. What is Emergency SOS? So, what exactly is Emergency SOS? It's a function designed to help you rapidly contact emergency services like police, fire department, or paramedics and notify your designated emergency contacts when you're in trouble. The best part is, you can activate it even when your iPhone is locked. This can be incredibly useful when every second counts and you don't have time to unlock your phone and find a contact. Benefits of using Emergency SOS. Now, let's talk about why Emergency SOS is such a valuable feature. Speed in requesting help. In an emergency, time is critical. This feature allows for quick contact with the necessary authorities without the hassle of unlocking your phone or searching for numbers. Notifying emergency contacts. After calling emergency services, your iPhone will send a text message with your current location to your emergency contacts, letting them know you need help and where you are. Ease of use. It's designed to be simple to activate, even if you're panicking or unable to clearly see the screen. Automatic calling. In some cases, depending on your region and settings, the system might automatically call emergency services after you perform the activation steps. Access to medical ID. If you've set up your medical ID in the Health app, important medical information like blood type and allergies can be displayed on the lock screen during an emergency call, which can be vital for first responders. How to use Emergency SOS step-by-step guide. Now, let's get into the practical part: how to actually use Emergency SOS on your iPhone. The method varies slightly depending on your iPhone model. For iPhone 8 or later, press and hold the side button, power button, and either volume button simultaneously. Keep holding until the Emergency SOS slider appears. You can either drag the slider to call immediately, or continue holding, and the iPhone will start a countdown, then automatically call emergency services. Note, you can disable automatic calling in settings. For iPhone 7 or earlier, rapidly press the top button or side button 5 times. The Emergency SOS slider will appear. Drag the slider to make the call. After you make the call, your iPhone will send a message with your current location to your emergency contacts if you haven't canceled it. If your location changes, it will continue to send updates to your contacts for a period of time. Setting up emergency contacts. It's crucial to set up your emergency contacts. Here's how to do it. Open the Health app. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap Medical ID. Tap Add next to Emergency Contacts. Select Add Emergency Contact. Tap one of your contacts. Use the search bar at the top if you have lots to sift through. Select their relationship to you. Tap Add Emergency Contact again to include more contacts, then tap Done to save. Managing Emergency SOS settings. You can also customize your Emergency SOS settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Emergency SOS. Here, you can toggle options like Call with Side button for iPhone 8 or later. Enabling this will automatically start the countdown when you press and hold the side and volume buttons. Call with 5 presses for iPhone 7 or earlier. Enabling this will bring up the Emergency SOS slider when you quickly press the top or side button 5 times. Countdown sound. Turn the audible countdown before an automatic call on or off. Important reminders. Before we wrap up, here are a few important things to keep in mind. Make sure you have set up your emergency contacts. This is vital for the feature to be most effective. Familiarize yourself with how to activate Emergency SOS on your specific iPhone model. Practice it so you're prepared in a real situation. Only use Emergency SOS in genuine emergency situations. Emergency SOS is a powerful and potentially life-saving feature built right into your iPhone. By understanding how it works and setting it up correctly, you can have peace of mind knowing that help is just a few button presses away. Have you ever used Emergency SOS? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay safe.